This is Mama Misha. Today in my magic kitchen, Matthew McConaughey's viral tuna salad. Everyone is doing it. I've seen so many reels featuring folks making Matthew McConaughey's self-proclaimed master of tuna salad recipe. I'd been hankering for tuna salad and his recipe sounded intriguing. Very different. It has both sweet ingredients and spicy savory ingredients. I've always been basic in my tuna salad making. Usually use mayo, hard-boiled egg, onion, celery, spike, and twice stolen spice. I've also made it the way my crazy aunt Ann Rucker did, with no mayo, lemon juice, spike, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. Sounds pretty basic, but absolutely delish. Since I was going all in with this much more involved recipe, I went all in the Mama Mish way. Made my own jalapeno crisp and Italian dressing. To die for, by the way. I added some roasted chickpeas and a hard-boiled egg. Why? Because I had to twist it my way to make your kitchen magic, okay? All right, Matthew McConaughey, I heard you say that you are the master of tuna salad. So we're going to try your viral recipe right here, right now. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that my homemade Italian dressing with my twice stolen spice made this even better. But Matthew, this is a bit of all right. Let's eat.